We're going with a beef stir fry today. That's right. That's right. We're going to be frying up the meat, and then we're going to be going over to the wok or the Discada, disco, whatever you want to call it, and finish it up with the vegetables. But today's special because it's sweet ginger barbecue sauce from Alfonso's, and this is sold only in Canada. That's right. Tony Patty up there in Canada hooked me up and sent this to me. So this will be the sauce we're going for. I'll show you the items as we go, because this cook is going to be awesome. Hey folks, it's Papa Texas, Papa's Kitchen. Welcome back. Yeah. Alright, let's get it going. Alright, so you can see some of my ingredients back there. So at this point, we're taking this beautiful Angus beef. Pieces like this, actually. That's what we're looking for. Be back on that. Alright, at this point, you take that awesome Angus beef and you throw it down in there. You're going to hit it with a little bit of Kikkoman soy sauce. We'll get it all mixed in there soon. Alright. Sesame oil. Just put a little bit. Ooh, that was a little too much actually. And we're going to go with an egg. Alright. I'll get that mixed up and I'll be right back. Alright, now we're going to go into our dry ingredients for breading. And we're going to go with the cornstarch. Oh, I never do good with cornstarch. We want to get a lot in there though. Yeah. That'll work. Alright, and then we want to add some garlic sea salt to the mix. Alright. Then we're going to go with some smoked chili sea salt. That should do her. Alright, so on the meat, when we come over here, we want it to be well breaded. That's right. I'll get the rest of these put in here, and we'll fry it up, and then we're going to make our awesome sauce. I forgot to tell you, let's throw in a little sugar. Look at that. We got it going on now. Papa's getting messy. Alright, let's get this done. Alright. We're going to fry some of these up. All of them, actually. Yeah. We don't fry much around here, but today's a special day. I'm alive and it's Sunday. Alright, let's don't overcrowd the pool. And then I will come back and I will take this meat goodness. Look at that. I will take this meat goodness and refry it. That works with French fries also. Alright, we'll try and go through this quickly. So what we want to do, I've got these carrot chips. I'm just going to cut them kind of like that. I'll get that done. I'll come back and show you what we got. Alright, there's my carrot chips that I'm going with. A little bit of an onion going in there. Like that. Orange bell pepper. Red bell pepper. And we're going to throw some green onions in at the end, okay? Some bamboo shoots. Some water chestnuts. And that's it. There's our blend. Yeah, I'm winging this, so we don't know. We don't know if I got enough or not. We're gonna find out. We may not have enough veggies. I might add a few more. All right, I'm gonna go double fry the meat, and I'll meet you over at the wok. Real quick, I just let you know I just doubled the veggies. Doubled them. And you know what? Okay, so this is the sauce we're gonna use at the end, but I think we're gonna go. We're gonna. Yeah, I like soy sauce. A little soy sauce in there. Let that kind of juice it up. Alright, at this point, we're going to put some sesame seed oil in there. Yeah, veggies. Woo! Papa, don't do it like that. Alright. Let's walk it up. Let's walk it up. Give it a little bit of soy sauce. So at this point, all you're trying to do is just render down your veggies. You can pick any kind of veggies you want. Alright, now we're at the time. Look at that meat. Double fried. We're going to add that to our veggies, and then we're going to add that sauce. A sauce I've never had before from Canada. Vont. Alright, let's get that in there. I'll go get the sauce and I'll be right back. That cooks. Alright, we're now adding the sweet ginger barbecue sauce. This awesomeness. We'll get that mixed in there and see how much more we need to add. Tony told me he made it with chicken. I haven't done it with beef yet. Look at that goodness. Alright, folks. I'm impressed with this one. This was really a fun cook. Alright, let's get it plated up and I'll see you over at the bench. Yeah. I'm gonna say winner, winner, a chicken dinner. Let's get this cook on, folks. Yeah. I ain't gonna lie. This looks beautiful. Yeah. Let's taste test. Now, I think I did awesome. Yeah. Let's see what that Alfonso's sweet ginger barbecue sauce from Canada from Tony Patty. Here we go, man. This is it. I spent a lot of work making this sucker. I'm not gonna lie, it is really good. I don't even know. Sorry, the wind's blowing. But we might need to hurry this sucker. I don't know if I can get this here in Texas, since it's in Canada. It is really good. I will look for a company name or whatever and try to leave it down below if I find it. But I'm going to tell you this. Yes, that was a really good cook. Papa, you did it again, my boy. You did it again. There's other sauces you can use. We got a black bean garlic one coming up. Stuff is hard to find. I hope you enjoyed. Get you a wok. If you ain't got a wok, you'll love it. Your family will love it. Tony? Wow. I know you've only cooked chicken with that, but you need to try the beef. Beef is where it's at. It's Papa. Papa Texas, Papa's Kitchen. You're welcome to subscribe. I got an awesome cooking playlist to help you out. I'm like your neighbor next door. Alright, we'll see you next week. It's Papa. Papa Texas, Papa's Kitchen. See you. Oh, we're going for the meat.